Okay, you want to get some. You want to get some, then don't. Get it in. I bet you won't. Bring it on. What you want? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Huh? Give me. I bet you won't. I bet you won't. I bet you won't. I bet. Let me get that bill. Then I say, drink that bill. Drink that bill. You better drink that bill. Get that bill. I'm gonna get you drunk. Don't you run. Drink that bill. Drink that damn bill. You, drink that bill. Drink that bill. What you gonna do with it? What are you gonna do? Drink the damn bill. Take a bill. Thank I see. Drink that damn bill.
You can't anime.
Drink the damn bill. Take a bill. Get up and put that bill in your mouth. Drink that damn bill. Drink it. You better get that bill. Get that bill. Get that bill. Get it.
What Chico Bill? What your mama doing?
Naina, she won't drink the bill. She won't drink the bill. They laughing at I won't drink the bill. Oh. I don't want to drink that bill, Mama. I don't know why the dog won't drink the bill. You want the bill? Do you want some bill? No. Excuse me. Oh, I forgot. Didn't I say drink that damn bill, anime? What are you peeking for? Drink this damn bill. You just get that bill. Get it. Come back here. Aww. Didn't I tell you not to hide?
Chico Bill, what your mama doing?
Get that bill. Get the bill, anime.
What mama doing, honey?
Oh, she's gonna hide on the bed.
Oh.
You trying to act good. Hide your little face, then I don't see you. Later. She always comes to baby ain't got no neck. She call her no neck. Later.
No negligence. No negligence.
I ain't got now.
No negligence. No negligence. No negligence.
Ooh, that ain't gonna stay down long.
No negligence.
Just gonna start rolling over like roller coaster hair. Curling on it. She said I got one ponytail. Coco got it cookie. Hard cookie. Cause she gonna be still. Want her little sandals.
No negligence.
She can't wear no shoes. I got her some brand new shoes over that sandals. And they'll size one because we bought her the little brand new leather zeros.
I need to take a shower. What you about to do?
Who wants you? Who wants you? Yeah, I want that baby. Yeah, I want you. Brady said he wants this baby. Oh, you get booga 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 booga. Shoo, she fly. Oh. She serious. She likes it. You said you going somewhere else? Let's fly. She twists them arms back and them legs and that body be bent. Because she thinks she can. Why my copper?